Here's the thing nobody tells you about the Eletre 600. It charges faster than cars costing twice as much. 10 to 80% in 20 minutes. Most luxury EVs can't touch that. But that's not even the wildest part. This is Lotus's first SUV ever. A brand known for cars weighing less than a motorcycle just built a 655-pound electric SUV. Sounds like a disaster, right? Except it hit 60 in 4.3 seconds. 612 horsepower from dual motors. All-wheel drive. Active air suspension that switches personalities on demand. It moves like it forgot about the weight. Here's where it gets interesting. You get a 29-inch head-up display, not 12 inches, not 15. 29 inches of information floating in your windshield. That's bigger than most people's computer monitors. The interior uses something called Lotus Performance Fabric. It's not leather. It's not cloth. It's this high-tech material that feels premium, but actually makes sense for a performance SUV. Most people focus on the 612 horsepower, but the real story is the 800-volt architecture. While other luxury EVs are still using 400-volt systems, Lotus went all in on next-generation charging tech. 373 miles of range on a full charge, 4-zone climate control, a 15-speaker KEF audio system that makes every drive feel like a concert. Wait until you see the pricing strategy. Base Eletre 600 starts around £84,990 in the UK, roughly €99,990 in Europe. That positions it directly against the Porsche Cayenne and BMW iX. But here's what Lotus did differently. Instead of making you option out a million things, they created 6 trim levels with predefined equipment packages. You pick 600 or 900, you pick your feature set, done. The 600 GT adds highway assist and 22-inch wheels. The 600 GT SE brings an electrochromic glass roof and a 23-speaker KEF reference system. The 600 Sport SE throws in massaging ventilated seats and an active rear spoiler. LED matrix headlights, torque vectoring by brake, a 112 kilowatt-hour battery pack. This isn't just about making an electric SUV, it's about making the Lotus version of an electric SUV. Here's the detail that changes everything. First production car ever with deployable LiDAR. It literally rises from the roof to scan the road ahead. That's not normal. The interior wraps you in this driver-focused cockpit with a 15.1-inch OLED touchscreen. Everything responds instantly. The dual chipset system means zero lag. Most electric SUVs feel heavy. The Eletre feels planted. There's a difference. This starts at a price that makes you rethink what luxury performance means in 2026. You're getting supercar charging speeds, legitimate sports car acceleration, and enough tech to make engineers jealous. The 900 Sport version exists if you want 918 horsepower and a 2.95-second sprint to 60. But the 600 delivers everything most drivers actually need, plus 100 grand in savings. That's the part nobody's talking about yet. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.